Withdrawing money from Hopper to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your wallet. Navigate to the wallet section of the app. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Look for the option to withdraw funds or transfer money. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw from your Hopper account. Ensure that you are aware of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits. Step 5. Confirm bank account details. Verify that your bank account information is correct. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so before completing the withdrawal. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive, which may take a few business days.